So a yacht sends location messages on a daily basis, and the fishing vessel communicates with the towns, but not with the yacht. I'm picturing bipartite. Communications are shown in the matrices below, so draw the directed graph, so it's going to have arrows on it, representing messages from the yacht and fishing vessel to the towns. So from the yacht to the towns, there's this matrix here. Here's one communication sent from the yacht to A. There is one communication sent from the yacht to B, and there's none from the yacht to C. The fishing vessel communicates with A and not with B, and sends 2 to C. Now the reason I've held off on A is because I don't really want to draw it through the middle, so I'm going to draw it on the outside. Just because it looks neater, and I put my little arrows a bit big. But that's okay, because you're allowed to do that. It doesn't have to cross over. Just FYI. Draw a directed graph representing messages from the yacht and vessel to and from the nearby towns. Alright, bring out your pencils. So, with the idea of to and from, that means we need to copy down all of the previous arrows. And then I think that a bit like before, we're going to be removing I'm going to be removing some of the connections, some of the arrows, sorry, not the connections, we'll remove some of the arrows. So, to go back the other way, we've got from A talks to the yacht once, so that means that becomes a two-way connection right there. So that's just a straight line. And from A to the fishing vessel, just one? Nope, 2. Alright, so we're gonna change this to be two-way, and then there's a second line running around the outside here that only goes in that direction. And then we've got from B to Y, so that path already exists, so that's a two-way. And then from B to the fishing vessel, B doesn't talk to the fishing vessel either, so that's fine, we don't need to add anything. And then from C to the yacht, we've got no connections. And then from C to the fishing vessel, we've got 3, they send 3 messages, so that means that these become double connections, and we get one more that goes back this way. Whoops, wrong diagram, make sure I put that back. Down here, these become single connections. Oh, sorry, double connections, and we have one more single connection there. Alright, so explain why the graph is an example of look at that. There's an example of a bipartite graph. That would be because we can define or state 2 discrete distinct, there's another word there, nice piece of vocab. Discrete means not connected, so 2 discrete or distinct groups of points. Now that's all fine and good, but if we're going to make a bold statement like that, we should probably actually give the 2 distinct groups that we can state. So we've got F and, is it F? Nope. FV and 1, and put a circle around them to make them into one group, and A, B and C. 2 groups. There we go. Draw the communication matrix that represents the data shown in the graph below. We need, it's going to be annoying to draw, but that's okay. A, B, C, D, E, yep. A, B, C, D, E. Give yourself a nice amount of space. Yeah, it doesn't need to be drawn small, so space it out, makes it easier. A can't talk to A, there's no loop there. In order to get A to talk to A, there'd have to be a circle, like this. But there isn't, so basically we can go through and put the zeros in the diagonal, but if we do that right now, it might not turn out so neat. So A can connect to B, they can chat twice along that line. A can't connect to C at the moment in one step, and A connects to D in one step, and read the graph. Go back. There it is. There's that loop there. Sorry, I had my hand in the way, I didn't see it. And then A to E. Whoops, don't even know what that is. B can connect to A by 2 steps. Can't connect to itself. B connects to C one time, D one time, but doesn't connect to E. Doesn't connect to E. C connects to A around that loop that I missed. Can connect to B. Once can connect to D. Whoops, can't connect to itself. Read where you're up to. Can connect to D and cannot connect to E. D connects to A one time, to B one time, to C one time. Doesn't connect to itself, doesn't have a loop, and doesn't connect to E. E can connect to A, and basically can't connect to anyone else. So that's an easy line to fill in. That's it.